really fell. Yeah, talking to his girl, but she looking over here. Damn, smoking on his meat and he's drinking on my bill. Bump us down a blunt, put some cushion in the air. Yeah.